Hi, welcome to the course. My name is Tish. I have many years of experience with massage, learning from a really young age by actually just practicing on my family. I realized I had a very natural sensitivity for massage, and I believe everyone has the sensitivity. It is just a matter of reconnecting to it. As I grew older, I started to learn some different massage techniques from around the world actually, but found they were often more complicated than they needed to be, and they missed out many crucial elements, which I found came naturally to me. I realized it is more important to learn things like being present, being sensitive to another body, and connected to ourselves when giving massage than it is to learn complicated theories. Pretty much everyone I massage is surprised that I can massage so well without following theories or guidelines. When I'm connected to myself, I give great massages, and when I'm not connected and present, I give bad massages, and that's it. So it is not so much about how much you know about massage, it is more about your state of mind and your sensitivity. Most professionals don't learn how to be connected to themselves, and this is what you will learn here. So this course is about empowering anyone to massage by connecting with themselves first as a foundation of massage. The core principle of this course is, the more connected you are to yourself, the more you can connect with others. So this is a little counterintuitive because most people think in order to be better at massage, we need to gain more knowledge and learn more theoretical concepts about where and how to touch the body. So you are hacking massage by connecting to yourself, not by learning more and more techniques. Being more present and more sensitive in yourself in order to have more presence and sensitivity in your massages, which I believe is more important than learning theories and concepts about the body, which are also important too. Many people think they are useless at massage and have no confidence when it comes to touching another body. But we often do things which are much more intimate than massage, and these things come very naturally to us, without us taking classes or reading instruction manuals. Things like making love, things like hugging someone. These are quite intimate, but we don't doubt ourselves so much. For some reason, we doubt ourselves when it comes to massage, thinking we need to pay for expensive and time-consuming courses in order to have any skill at massage, ignoring the fact that we have natural sensitivities to relate to another body. So this course is about reconnecting with our natural intuition and sensitivity to touch another body. Like this, we can offer much deeper and more impressive massages without knowing so much theory. So what is this course about? Fundamentally, it is about how being more connected to our own minds and bodies allows us to be more connected to others during massage. It is about the internal elements of giving massages, which are deep, effective, and connected, so the states of being that you need to be inside yourself. It is about cultivating and exploring the states of mind which help to give incredible massages, so using our states of mind to hack massage. It is also about becoming more sensitive to our own bodies in order to be more sensitive with others. Who is this course for? Those who think they have no skill at massage, those who want simple, effective, and innovative ways to learn, those who are experienced but want to deepen their practice a little, and those who want to learn how to be more connected to their own mind and body generally. So why? What is the purpose of this course? Well, we live in a culture of stress, and people generally don't take the time for massage. People are not going for massages that often unless they can afford it, really. It is often too expensive, and generally people don't think they're very skilled at massage, so people are not massaging each other very much. And I think everyone has this ability. The more massages we get, the less stressed we are as a society. And I want us to move from this culture of stress to a culture of massage, where people feel able and comfortable to give effective and good massages to each other and increase our general states of well-being and happiness instead of chronic stress. How? Let's talk briefly about what is covered in this course. So we will talk about the problems with massage culture in general. We will learn how to connect with ourselves and with others. We will explore how to use our own bodies to develop our skills of massage. So this is a great resource that we have. We have our own bodies that we can get instant feedback from and then develop our skills based on what feels good and what doesn't feel good, what feels relaxing and so on. And we can also practice on a friend and get feedback from them too. We'll also learn how to put together a personalised massage toolkit, which we can take anywhere with us. And we'll also learn many simple and effective massage hacks. So that's a brief introduction, and I hope you enjoy the course. See you soon.